Howdy, this is David Groce, your Texas Tax and Lawman. Welcome back to America 250, our celebration of the United States turning 250 years old. We continue our exploration of the Revolutionary Era and the foundational documents that established American liberty. After winning independence through the Revolutionary War, the young nation faced a new challenge. The Articles of Confederation proved too weak to unite the states effectively. In the summer of 1787, delegates gathered once again in Philadelphia to literally form a more perfect union. The result was the United States Constitution, signed on September 17, 1787. This document is the supreme law of the land. It created a federal republic with separated powers, legislative, executive, and judicial, each designed to check and balance the others. The framers understood human nature and the tendency of power to corrupt. They deliberately limited government authority to protect individual liberty. The preamble states the noble purposes. We, the people of the United States, in order to form a more perfect union, establish justice, ensure domestic tranquility, provide for the common defense, promote the general welfare, and secure the blessings of liberty to ourselves and our posterity, do ordain and establish this Constitution for the United States of America. Notice the phrase, secure the blessings of liberty. The founders viewed liberty not as something granted by government, but as a blessing from God to be protected. Government's role was limited to safeguard rights rather than expand control over every aspect of life. During the Constitutional Convention, when the delegates reached an impasse, Benjamin Franklin rose and delivered a powerful call for prayer. He reminded them that God governs the affairs of men and quoted Scripture, "Except that the Lord build the house, they labor in vain that build it." This moment underscored a key truth. The Constitution was framed by men who recognized the need for divine wisdom and moral foundation. The Constitution was later strengthened by the Bill of Rights, which explicitly protected freedoms such as religion, speech, assembly, and the right to keep and bear arms. These amendments reflect the revolutionaries' generation's hard-won experience, resisting tyranny, and their commitment to individual responsibility over centralized government control. The Constitution stands as a testament to the idea that legitimate government derives its powers from the consent of the governed and must remain accountable to the people and to higher moral law. As we celebrate America's 250th birthday, the Constitution remains our guiding charter. It reminds us that liberty is fragile and requires constant vigilance. When government exceeds its enumerated powers, it threatens the very freedoms the revolutionary generation fought to secure. Freedom to worship, freedom from oppressive taxation, and the right of self-defense. We must recommit ourselves to the principles of limited government and individual responsibility that the Constitution was designed to preserve. In future episodes, we will continue examining the faith, courage, and wisdom that built this republic. As for you and me, it's our job to secure these freedoms for coming generations. Remain steadfast in defense of constitutional liberty. Uphold the rule of law and trust in God's providence. Until next time, adios. Let freedom ring and God bless America.